Hi, good morning, guys. My name is Ari Prasad. So today topic is in the Pycharm tool, who are using software test engineer or software developer, how to increase the font size or how to decrease. So that is the topic we are going to discuss today. Please concentrate, guys. Please concentrate. So right now I am in the one file. So what is that? That file name employee.py. Employee.py. Here already we do have some class and we do have some method. So this font size I want to now decrease. How to decrease? Please concentrate. So in the left top corner, we do have the hamburger, like 4 lines are there, no straight lines. Please click on that lines. You will get an option settings. Click on settings. If you click on the settings, so you will get an option for what? You are going to get an option appearance, key map, editor, version control. Like that is version control. No, we are going to use a push the code, pull the code in the Git or Bitbucket. No, so we are going to use that is in a currently forget about that. Click on the editor drop down. So here you can see one option is there, that is a font. Here also we do have same option. You can click either this one or this one, anything is fine. Click on the font. So currently font size is telling 20. Currently what is that? You can see the current editor font is 20. And if you want to change the some even style also you can change. But anyhow, currently we'll talk about the size. Click on this link. Currently size 20 is there, no? I am going to make 10. So whatever you are going to do in this tool, no? First you need to click on the apply button, then you need to click on OK button, okay? So I'm going to click on the apply, OK. See guys, currently font size is how much? 10. We decreased it now. What we did? We decreased it. So now we need to increase. So what we need to do? We need to increase again. Same option. You can go here. Here we do have setting option. Setting option here also you can see. Here also you can click on this. We do have setting. Both are same. There is a no difference. Don't confuse. Click on left side hamburger 4 lines and there also click on settings. Otherwise in the right side you can see the settings icon. Click on settings icon. Here also you can click settings. Both are same. Click on settings. Again, I'm going to the font size 10 is there, no? I'm going to make it as a 20 or 25, how much you want, no? So you try to increase, that's good for our eyes, okay? So increase the font size, click on apply, click on OK button. Now you can see guys, currently font size is 20. So hopefully you understand how to increase the font size, decrease and increase. So still you are not subscribe my channel, don't forget, please click on subscribe button. So going forward, you are going to get many videos. YouTube means in the IT related. So different tool and different course you are going to get. So hopefully you understand. Thank you so much, guys.